What's up, guys? It is Ty Joy here today, and I'm going to be doing some trick-or-treating. It's almost Halloween, and I was like, yes, let's do something. So I have my character here, and we are going to dress it up in a cute Halloween costume. Should it be an eyeball? Let's be a unicorn. Yes, yes, yes. Why don't I be a horse then if I'm going to be a unicorn? Doesn't really make any sense. Let's be a horse. And then click the button. Click it. There we go. And we want our horse to be like a old, what's like a, reminds me of ice cream. Yeah. Ice cream. Okay, enough of that. But let's add some color. Let's do some stripes. That's cute. Okay, I like that. Okay.
Since it's Halloween.
So I'm gonna do that blue, pretty. Let's get some hair. Is there any hair? Yes. Yeah, let's not do hair. And I can't have hair with the horn. So let's just do the horn. I think we're good. So let's go to random people's dens and say trick or treat, give me food, want stuff. So let's go to your den. Come on. Actually, let's go to cute boy den. Can't go to cute boy den. Let's go to Willow. That's a cool name. Wait for them to come, be obnoxious, and just wander around their den. That is my brother, if you're wondering. He's really annoying. He just follows me every English, please. Yes. We like a good girl that can't do English. Please hurry. Okay, that guy's not coming. Wait, actually, you know what? If they don't answer, I'm just gonna go trick or treat. That's what I'm gonna do. Trick or treat. Nope. There we go. Trick or treat. But if they come to their den, that's a plus. Okay, let's go to Jamal. Okay, let's go to... No, you don't look like you're playing. Okay, let's go to your den. Another owl den. Ooh, I like the sushi bar. It's cute. I can actually finally buy it because I was so mad because I really wanted to buy this like sushi bar the other day because I just got my Animal Jam membership today. Go check out my first video that I posted today. No, not today. It will be tomorrow. No, it'll be today. Yeah, I'll publish that. It's already published, and I'll hopefully publish this one today. So yeah. To check out my first video that I made. It's really bad because I didn't have my brother's mic. Because I stole his mic. Okay, like, people, come to your den, please. No, not you. Okay, there we go. Trick or treat. I have a cute costume. I could have just added, yeah, there we go. People love me. Come to your den. Like, I always come to my den when people come. Most of the time. Sometimes people are really annoying. I don't. Let's go to your den. Okay, let's go to your den. No, I want you to give me stuff. I'm just kidding. I always have store too. Cool, let's look at all this stuff. This is totally not the point of the video, but like, we're here, might as well. Let's trick or treat. There we go, they're back. Trick or treat. Trick or treat. Give me stuff. Please. Please. Okay. Oh. only if you give me something. Okay, that sounds wrong. I'll just leave. Okay. Come to your den. Why? I'm at her den. You know what? No. I'm not gonna go to her den. No, I'm not. I'm gonna be strict and say no. Train me? I don't know what that means. Let's go to your den. One person will come. Their den is literally, oh, I was gonna say empty. There's like, oh, it's kind of cute. Some cute paintings. Person, please come to your den. You know what I think what we're gonna have to do is we're just gonna have to say trick or treat in email, because you know you can't say trick like the new generation. I just thought of something. Like, you know how people actually go on the doors and knock and say trick or treat at Halloween? Like, the new generation trick or treaters just text trick or treat, send me like I forget what it's called. Some Postmates. Like, so dumb. Like, what if that will happen? People are so lazy they can't even walk to a door. Whatever. I will never do that. Because it's like, really, you got legs. Next. I'm just gonna, like, go on a whole bunch of people and say trick or treat. Because whenever someone says trick or treat to me, I always give them, like, a candy something. Let's go to you. Trick or treat. Trick or treat! I'm so obnoxiously annoying. Oh, Punji. Is that Punji? That's a weird name, Punji. It's like Pudgy, but with an N, I think. I don't know. You have some Halloween stuff you want to give me? Yeah. Okay. Trick or treat. Trick or treat. Give me something to eat. People, why don't you... You want to give me stuff? This is turning into a video like me just being annoying and like asking people for stuff. Yep. I think that was the main goal before, but... Please. Oh yeah, I did spell it right. Search the least AJ giveaway yellow long. Check it out. No. I'm joking. Ah, wait. Never mind. If you guys haven't checked out my other video, please do, because I'm having a giveaway. A giveaway. I'm giving away a blue Warren. I was gonna be a spike, but I only have two spikes. I was like, I'm not, like, I will next time. On my next video, hopefully, maybe, cross my fingers, pens. I'm not sure. I haven't quite decided, but maybe on my next video, I will give away a spike. Depends how many contestants I have for my last videos. My last video's one. I don't feel like... my words are eating me up. Trade me a little... I don't know what that means. I don't know. Trick or treat. Give me something good to eat. So, this is going to be like a long video, me just rambling. So, I'm just going to cut it out. Cut it to the part where people actually send back something. Okay, so I'll be back. Okay, guys, so I literally just clicked off and someone sent me a message. Let's see what it is. 1 second. Treat coming in a few minutes. Thank you so much. I was just playing with my mic, so it might have been weird. I didn't realize I was playing with it, but I was. I'm about to say trick or treat. I'm so used to that. Thank you so much. Send it back to her. Where's your costume? A unicorn. I'm a unicorn! Hello. Trick or treat. It's like, oh, we're supposed to give people stuff on Halloween, like give candy. Come on. Reet. Reet is a word. Let's do it, boys. Treat. So, yeah, let's keep going at it. This is so hard. So I got 2 messages. I haven't opened them yet, clearly. Yay, happy Halloween! Swingle plushie. I would if there was something on you trade. Okay. I'll put, wait boy. I'll put something on trade. I'll put something on trade. Thanks so much. Thank you so much. Okay, let's keep going. Okay, I'm a weirdo. Okay guys, so no one else would send me any messages or anything, so I guess it has to wrap up this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. And you know how I said in the middle of the video that I wasn't going to do a giveaway on this one? Well, I decided I will. But this one's going to be a little bit different. The things you have to do are subscribe to this channel and like. But if you... yeah, just do that. And the third... yeah, I can't count. No, I can't count to 1, 2, 3. No, okay. So the third step, what you have to do is you have to... well, I guess the first person to say unicorn, send me a message saying unicorn magic, will get this mask, feather mask. This any color of a feather mask, and make sure you say like unicorn magic pink or unicorn magic like blue or purple or green. So that's how you win that giveaway. Thank you guys so much for watching. You guys are amazing. See y'all next time.